the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Holy Child School has 24 points. Anglo Senior High School has 28 points. Kumasi Academy has 44 points. Holy Child School, thank you for being here. Unfortunately, we must say goodbye. Best wishes. Anglo Senior High School, thank you for being here. We must say goodbye as well. All the best to you. Kumasi Academy, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. Best wishes. Did you get your preamble? Good. So, Holy Child School, y is equal to x over the expression x plus 1. Yes, Yaira.
We have the differential to be -1 over into brackets x plus 1 all squared.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you, please? Dixon.
The differential is equal to 1 over into brackets x plus 1 all squared.
Yes. First set of questions, 10 seconds each. First one. What name is given to the study of algae? Yes, Justice.
Mycology.
That's incorrect. Who ranked? Yes, Dixon.
Phycology.
You're right. Kumasi Academy. With the same preamble, y is equal to the expression 2x minus 1 all over the expression 2x plus 1. Yes, Asante.
You have 4 over into bracket 2x plus 1 all squared.
Yes. Find the total surface area of a solid cube if a side has length 20 centimeters. Dixon.
2,400 centimeters square.
Yes. And that's the end of the second round. A bicycle wheel has 18 spokes. Find the measure of the angle between adjacent spokes. Dixon?
20 degrees.
Yes. The distance between the strings of a bifilar suspension is decreased from 25 centimeters to 16 centimeters. Find the final period of the pendulum if the initial period is 45 seconds. Dixon.
36 seconds.
Yes. A meter bridge is balanced at the 40 centimeter mark. If the resistance of the resistor adjacent to the 40 centimeter length of bridge wire is 80 ohms, what is the resistance of the resistor in the other arm of the bridge? Yes. Dixon.
120 ohm.
Yes. Which of the following gas samples would occupy the greatest volume at 28 degrees Celsius and 100 kilopascals? Your options: A, 50.0 grams of NO gas, B, 50.0 grams of HCl gas, C, 50.0 grams of O2 gas, and D, 50.0 grams of CO gas. Atomic mass for chlorine is, okay, Dixon.
50.0 grams of CO gas.
Yes. Your major question, Kumasi Academy, with the same preamble. What volume of SO2 gas at STP will be produced if 84.0 grams of iron reacts completely with excess concentrated H2SO4? Molar volume of ideal gas at STP is 22.4 decimeter cubed. Dixon.
33.6 dm cube.
Yes. Find the power of a convergent lens of focal length of magnitude 40 centimeters. Dixon.
2.5 diameter.
Yes. Electron capture is the decay of an unstable nucleus in which a proton is converted into a neutron. Dixon.
True.
Yes. Gamma emission often occurs from an excited nucleus. Akosia.
False.
No, that's a true statement. The next set comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. State whether the following examples are true or false of ammonification. I hope you got your preamble. Converting nitrogen into ammonia by nitrogen fixes. Christian.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Converting urea into ammonia by decomposers. Dixon.
True.
Yes. Converting nitrates into ammonia by decomposers. Akosia.
False.
Yes. In a kite and a rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular. Christian.
True.
Yes. In a kite and a rhombus, the diagonals bisect the vertex angles. Asante.
False.
Yes. In a rectangle and an isosceles trapezium, the diagonals are congruent. Akosia.
False.
Oh. That's a true statement. Last set of statements for the round. Last set of statements. The product of object and image distances from the vertex of a thin lens equals the square of the focal length of the lens. Christian?
True.
No. That's a false statement. The product of object and image distances measured from the focal point of a thin lens equals the square of the focal length of the lens. Asante?
True.
Yes. Last statement, Holy Child. The ratio of image distance measured from the focal point of a thin lens to the focal length of the lens equals the negative of transverse magnification. Akosia?
True.
Yes. And that's the end of the fourth round. Holy Child, if a cell is constructed by mixing the salts in the two half cells, the same EMF would be generated. Yes, Akosia?
True.
No, that's a false statement. Ciliates are protozoans that possess cilia, which they use for both locomotion and feeding. Christian?
True.
Yes. In Euglena, cilia cover the surface of the organism and are responsible for movement as well as feeding. Yes, Asante?
False.
Yes. Cilia can help remove contaminants from organs or tissues by helping to move fluids over the cells. Akosia?
True.
Yes. At 12:30 a.m., the smaller angle between the hands of a clock is a straight angle. Justice?
True.
No, that's a false statement. At 3 p.m., the smaller angle between the hands of a clock is a right angle. Asante?
True.
Yes. At 6:30 a.m., the smaller angle between the hands of a clock is 0 degree. Akosia?
False.
Yes. The work of a force equals the product of the magnitude of the force and the distance through which its point of application moves. Christian?
True.
No. That's a false statement. The work of a force equals the scalar product of the force and the displacement of its point of application. Asante?
True.
Yes. The power developed by a force equals the product of the magnitude of the force and the projection of the velocity of its point of application in the direction of the force. Akosia?
True.
Yes. I may be a genus of fish. I am also an organ terminating certain limbs of some arthropods. I am a grasping structure on the limb of a crustacean or other arthropods. Legs bearing me are called chelipeds. In crabs, I am sometimes called claw because I'm curved and have... Yes, Christian?
Pincers.
No. Because I am curved and have a sharp point like a claw.
Chelates. Chelates.
Pardon again?
Chelates.
No. You don't want it. Did you ring? No, you don't want it. Or you want to ring and try something? Okay, now that you've rung, try. Pardon? The time is over.
Who am I?
They thought they were. No, who am I?
Keller. Keller.
Yes. I am a 3-digit number. My digits are an identity and 2 squares. I am an odd number. My first digit is a square. The sum of my digits is 14. In Nigeria, yes, which of you? Dixon.
419.
Oh yeah, it's 419. And I was reading the last clue about Nigeria when they solved that riddle, and so 3 points. That's the end of the 5th round.